And now this is just because I don't like.
And here we go. We're in Venetian Bay and New Smyrna Beach, Florida. This is the Adriana. We're doing a walkthrough just for a client, so you can kind of see what it looks like when you walk into the home. All their floor plans are the same for the Adriana. They only change the front of the home. This one is set up for a den. The French doors would not be here if it wasn't a den. The door actually would be right there. We have a closet. Nice size bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom. Another nice size closet. I walked in directly from the front into the left.
The way I selected it, it has its opening archway. Now, you know,
Bath.
and show convert bedroom to den.
Another bed.
I haven't had it do it. I have an archway.
Nice size closet. Now, I am working with some clients today, so you possibly could see them or hear them. Right here would be the walk-in for the 3rd bedroom if you decided to make it a 3rd bedroom instead of a den. We'll walk around here. Nice open floor plan. We have the kitchen here. And we're just doing a quickie through here just to get you familiar with it. Little pantry. On these homes, they do have the garage in the back and they have the alleyway. Similar to Celebration in Disney. That is a laundry, and directly to the right is the door to the garage. Nothing fancy in there, just a garage. This is the master. Nice size master. And let's turn some lights on. Again, I apologize, we're just doing a quickie. Pocket door, which is very cool. Walk-in shower enclosure. Double vanity. Nice size walk-in closet. Water closet. And then a storage area. And then we will end with a shot of the kitchen.